And I also extend a very warm welcome to Mr. Gregory Dunn and Mr. Raghu to inaugurate the MUN in JRS. Gregory Dunn is a senior at Harvard College in the government sector. He focuses on international relations with an emphasis on multinational decision-making and cyber warfare. He has worked with the Weatherhead Center for International Affairs in the Harvard Institute of Politics. Outside of Harvard, he has worked as an analyst for the US Department of Defense and McKinsey & Company. Served as the Secretary General of Harvard Model United Nations 2016 Boston. Served on the board of the Harvard International Relations Council. Competed as a delegate in Model United Nations Conference throughout the United States. Won numerous awards for Harvard's Intercollegiate Model United Nations team. Now I call upon PRO Ma'am, Mrs. Ambut Sharma, who is also the Chief Coordinator of MUN JRS, to address the gathering. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Model United Congress. Does it ring any alarm? Yes, we are all aware of it. And JRS students have very proudly represented a couple of Model United Congress at international level and at national levels. Model United Congress is one of the world's most wonderful platform to master your auditory skill, like public speaking, debate, elocution. What a wonderful platform that you represent a country as a delegate. And when you represent a country, it is very important that you research and you know about a country. It's a very big responsibility. We just cannot go on a platform saying that I'm a delegate of so-and-so country. You have to have a knowledge of your own country, and you have to have a knowledge of a country which you represent there. A wonderful exposure. When we go at international platform, there are more than 200 countries participating who take part in it. Imagine what exposure, what learning, and what knowledge you bring it back from there when you interact with so many people. You start respecting each other's culture. You know so much about other countries, and there are challenges there. You are given a topic. On the topic, you have to present your position paper. To present the position paper, it is very important that you know about country's history, you know about the judiciary system of it, you know about the economical problems of it. There are many issues, there are many situations, there are many emergencies, and you have to know everything about it. And for all this, you have to have pre-conference research work that is very important. And that research involves getting to know everything around the world, not only about your country and the country you represent, but about the world also, that is what is happening around the world. I would not take much time because our esteemed guest is here who will be telling you in detail about MUN, and later on Mr. Raghu will take it over, and then we will select our members for MUN. That today we are here to start MUN Club, though we have been part of MUN from many years, and I have many children who have been part of this wonderful program maybe from last 7 to 6 years. I just hand over the mic again to Anjana. Thank you everyone.
Can I have CEO sir and all the respected guests on stage to give out the token of appreciation?